Yep, this is our bush hog, and we had the clutch, which is that piece there with the springs on it. We were carrying heavy hay bales the other day, and I believe they were too heavy, and I carried them too far. It's about a mile and a half from where I picked them up, and I believe I burned the hydraulic fluid as I was bush hogging. Uh, Fluid heated up, and next thing I know, I'm dragging the bush hog. The PTO shaft comes loose from the pumpkin or gearbox right here, and PTO goes to the tractor and spins the PTO shaft in the gearbox and the blades underneath. But it came loose, the shaft did. Clutch wrapped around the 3-point brace right there. As you can see, the springs are wedged in it, and we are going to get this back in working order today. We're going to start by changing the fluid. This is a Massey Furgeson 165, and you can check your fluid, the hydraulic fluid level, on the side right here. That ring is on a dipstick that shows you your fluid level, and underneath the transmission or second half of the tractor here is a drain plug, just like you have for the motor oil, which would be more in the front. We're going to drain the fluid, put new fluid in, put the tractor in PTO ground. That way the PTO goes slowly with the tire speed, so as I back up slowly, we're hoping it will untwist the clutch there off the brace. Okay, here we are on the opposite side, and let's see, right here, that's the bolt we got to get out. And I can't see from this position. It's a 15/16 nut, and I've just got several old empty oil containers. We always save those, and I'm gonna put a funnel on them and drain the fluid, and we can reuse that oil or hydraulic fluid just for lubricating different bolts and attachments on the equipment. That way it doesn't go to waste.